We celebrate today the nativity of Saint John the Baptist. Sa liturgical calendar, mayroong 3 tao lamang na ipinagdiriwang natin ang kaarawan. Si Saint John the Baptist, si Mama Mary, at syempre ang ating Panginoon Jesucristo. Nonetheless, the story of the nativity of John is a reminder for us that God is truly gracious to us. Tama nga ang sinabi ng mga kapitbahay ni Elizabeth na malaking awa ang pinakita sa kanya ng Diyos. The Lord had shown His great mercy toward her and they rejoiced with her. Sa pamamagitan ni John the Baptist, hindi lamang si Elizabeth ang pinagpala ng Diyos, sa halip ang buong bayan ng Diyos. God works His salvation through people and circumstances. The only thing we need to do is to look with the eyes of faith, with the lens of faith. We will come to see God always at work and be inclined to cooperate in His work. G ka ba?